Hello you beautiful people, मेरा नाम है बंदिता वशिष्ठ and welcome back to Price Baba. Oppo की Reno series is amongst the most popular smartphone series and काफी interesting specifications देखने को मिलते हैं हमें series में. And the latest addition to the series is Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G जो हो गया है launch. जी हाँ, फोन मेरे पास आ गया है and you know हम क्या करने वाले हैं. Yes, we're gonna do the camera review and test its camera. वैसे भी Reno series में काफी अच्छे कैमरा स्पेसिफिकेशंस हमें देखने को मिलते हैं, interesting features. So let's test this one. And without further ado, let's start the video.
Let's have a look at the camera specifications of the Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G.
Let's have a look at the wide angle standard and zoom shots from the Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G.
It was just about to rain when I clicked these samples early morning scenario में and आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी अच्छी diffused lighting देखने को मिलेगी frame में. Starting off with the standard shot, you can see pretty good details. Zoom करने पर काफ़ी sharp details आपको नज़र आएंगी. Dynamic range भी काफ़ी अच्छी है sample में. Colors are decent here. Wide angle shot is a handy feature to have as it covers a lot more area and doesn't compromise on exposure and dynamic range, which is a really good thing. It however does compromise on details, but that's because of the change in sensors. The 2x shot feels like another extension of the standard shot. You see good exposure and details. There is however some visible detail loss. 5x and 10x zoom shots per eye, they are comparatively much better than most samples I've taken of other phones recently and in terms of details, but only zoom in this much when you have to zoom in onto a far off object because there's evident detail loss and pixelation.
Of course, we're going to look at the selfies now, so let's have a look.
I really enjoyed my favorite part of the camera reviews जो कि होती हैं selfies. Well, Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G की selfies are really good, a fantastic display of good details. I really like how well the facial details are detected and color detection की बात करें तो closer to the natural scenario वाले color tones आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. You also get an option of beauty mode and beauty mode से लेकर samples पर नजर डालें तो it makes my skin slightly better exposed and remove all sorts of blemishes.
Time to now look at my absolute favorite shots जो कि है front and rear portrait shots.
Selfie portraits were a delight to click. Despite a hot and bright day, the samples have some really good exposure. Details are very good and colors भी अच्छे हैं. Edge detection is decent. You also get the AI color portrait selfie का option and यहाँ पर you can make the subject stand out and desaturate your background in case you find it too busy or distracting. यहाँ पर जो आपका subject है वो निखर कर दिखेगा and I love these samples. Rear portrait samples की बात करें तो just like their front portrait counterparts, they have come out excellent. This may be what elevates the phone to a great extent. काफ़ी अच्छे लगे मुझे rear portrait shots. Details and colors are really well detected and edge detection is very good. Subtle and even background blur आपको देखने को मिलेगा and it adds to the beauty of the shot. Just like in the selfie camera, you get the AI color portrait mode यहाँ पर भी and rear camera में आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी अच्छे से काम करता है. You can see for yourself how amazing the result looks. Excellent exposure and details, amazing edge and color detection.
Oh, it's time to now look at the close-up and macro shots.
Close-up and macro samples पर आए तो Mr. Transformer was my muse this time. Close-up shot decent है with the mouth of the object being in sharp focus क्योंकि वहीं पर मैंने टैप करके फोकस किया था. And the rest of the frame has subtle blur. Background में आप देख सकते हैं. Color and edge detection is decent. Macro shot पर आए तो यहाँ पर sample have come out better than so many phones that I've reviewed lately. Object from left to right is in sharp focus. Edge detection is decent and colors are very close to the actual scenario. If you have a scenic place in front of you, then don't forget to turn on the extra HD mode in the Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G. High level of details is the USP of this mode. Zoom in on any corner of this image and you'll find some stunning level of details. एक पत्ता is in sharp focus.
Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G में दिया गया है AI Scene Enhancement feature. तो एक काम करते हैं, let's have a look at it.
अब आप सोच रहे हैं कि एवरीडे एवरेज शॉट को और बेहतर कैसे बना सकते हैं तो इसका जवाब है AI Scene Enhancement option. You can see some subtle yet prominent difference in the two pictures, aka AI Scene Enhancement off, aka AI Scene Enhancement on. Colors are much more defined in the sample with the AI Scene Enhancement on. Dynamic range is far superior. You can see the blue sky in the background and you can see that mid-tones and shadows are much better here.
I'm super excited to test the video modes now. So let's have a look at the front and rear video modes and especially about the bokeh flare portrait video mode. तो एक काम करिए, चलिए डालते हैं नजर.
रियर कैमरा से लिए गए वीडियोस पर आए तो 4K 30 FPS is the highest resolution offered in the Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G and this mode has the best details, be it the leaves or far off objects. Details are crisp. There seemed to be minimal lag in frame rate when the camera was moving. Dynamic range, however, was average. अब आपको ऑप्शन मिलता है वाइड एंगल वीडियो का भी और ये भी आप बना सकते हैं 1080p 60 fps रेजोल्यूशन में. यू क्लियरली कैन डिफरेंशिएट फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस वीडियो कि यहाँ पर इज अ लॉट मोर एरिया कवर्ड. एक फिश आई इफेक्ट आपको देखने को मिलेगा विद माइनर डिटेल लॉस. You also get an ultra steady mode option and this is in the 1080p 60 fps resolution again. You can see I'm brisk walking yet frame rate is good. There seem to be no lags and stability is on point. अब मैंने 1080p 60 fps वीडियो बनाई है नॉर्मल विदाउट द अल्ट्रा स्टेडी मोड ऑप्शन एंड आई शॉट दिस वीडियो जस्ट आफ्टर अ हेवी डाउनपोर ऑफ रेन एंड यू कैन सी सम विविड ग्रीन्स इन द फ्रेम and the details aren't as good as 4K 30 fps but they are pretty good. Now coming to the videos from the front camera, it may not offer you a flashy 4K resolution but gives satisfactory results in the 1080p 30 fps resolution जो कि highest resolution है जो आपको देखने को मिलेगा यहाँ पर. Colors and details are very well captured. There seems to be no lag in the frame rate even when the phone was moving. You also get bokeh video mode का option and यहाँ पर भी आप 1080p 30 fps resolution में वीडियो बना सकते हैं. Quality was really good. I was pretty impressed with the results honestly. Subject stays in focus while the background stays out of focus even when the phone is moving in all directions. There's a slight drop on details when you make a portrait video in the 720p resolution हालांकि and लेकिन यहाँ पर मैंने beauty mode on किया था तो beauty mode on करेंगे तो 720p resolution पर shift हो जाएंगे. You can see the details aren't as sharp as they were in the 1080p 30 fps video but there's a slight lag when the phone moves but a satisfactory result nonetheless. अब आते हैं bokeh flare portrait mode पर. Absolutely love this feature. यहाँ AI works and pinpoint करता है natural light sources को. You can see light spots in the background. Subject highlight हो जाता है और आप देख सकते हैं कि tree leaves में एक shimmery सा effect आपको देखने को मिलेगा. Just wow. Then there's the dual view video mode जहाँ पर एक साथ front and rear camera से आप videos capture कर सकते हैं. Super handy features for the vloggers out there and love this one as well. अब अगला है AI highlight video mode. यहाँ मैंने दो videos बनाई हैं, एक off and एक on. दोनों को साथ में देखिए and you can see a visible difference in the color reproduction. Mode on करने पर colors get enhanced. ये कलर पोर्ट्रेट मोड पर आए तो it is another favorite जहाँ पर subject focus में रहता है and is colorful. लेकिन बाकी सब जो है background जो है वो monochrome हो जाएगा and it's a super funky feature. And last but not the least, my most favorite slow-mo. God, I love making these. इस पे मैं कोई comment नहीं करूँगी. You just look at it and have fun.
After all the daylight shots and videos, it's time to now look at the low light selfies and the night shots from the Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G.
लो लाइट सेल्फी की बात करें तो as expected it is underexposed. You can barely make out any details in the frame. Pretty dark selfie. फिर आपको मिलता है नाइट मोड ऑन करने का फीचर एंड वेल माई फेस लुक्स ब्राइटर हियर. बाल अभी भी स्मजी हैं और वो रेडिश सी टोन भी है बट फेशियल डिटेल्स काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही हैं. द सेंसर ट्राइज टू ब्रिंग आउट डिटेल्स वेरी वेल यहाँ पर. हाउएवर टर्निंग द फ्लैश ऑन एक्सपोजेज द फ्रेम सबसे अच्छे तरीके से. द एंटायर फ्रेम इज एक्सपोज यूनिफॉर्मली. कलर्स काफ़ी अच्छे से डिटेक्ट हुए हैं बीट माई स्किन टोन और माई क्लोथ्स. रियर कैमरा से नाइट शॉट्स की जब बारी आई तो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट मेक इट चैलेंजिंग. सो आई टुक द डार्केस्ट कॉर्नर ऑफ माई हाउस एंड टेस्टेड द Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G's night mode. And you can see कि standard shot is really underexposed. The only source of light being from the living room. Left side of the frame is barely visible. लेकिन जैसे मैंने night mode on किया तो overall exposure improves a great deal. Details may not be in sharp focus but pretty good improvement nonetheless. आप compare करके देख सकते हैं. You see the visible difference दोनों shots में. With a change in sensor, night mode on in the wide angle mode is something you should refrain from क्योंकि यहाँ पर it covers a lot more area definitely बट स्टैंडर्ड शॉट की तरह आपको डिटेल्स नहीं देखने को मिलेंगी एंड यू वोंट गेट द रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट ऑफ एक्सपोजर और डिटेल्स। हालांकि स्ट्रीट शॉट लेना है यहाँ पर जहाँ पर थोड़ी और लाइटिंग हो, आर्टिफिशियल लाइट, तो वहाँ पर बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट आएगा, बट इस सिनारियो में नहीं आ पाया। In terms of exposure, the 2x and 5x shots will expose a dark area well, but will lack good usable details. Verdict की बात करें तो Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G का कैमरा will definitely impress you. You can make really good videos, be it the rear videos or the selfie videos. Portrait mode से आप काफ़ी अच्छी videos बना सकते हैं from the front and rear camera. So I really like the video part. Vlogging के लिए काफ़ी interesting फ़ोन है ये. Dual video mode भी देखने को मिलेगा, slow motion mode भी दिया गया है। बात करें अगर शॉट्स की तो स्टैंडर्ड शॉट्स वर रियली गुड, वाइड एंगल शॉट्स वर गुड, एक्स्ट्रा एचडी से आप काफ़ी शार्प फोटोज ले पाएंगे। द सेल्फीज वर गुड एंड आई लव द रियर पोर्ट्रेट शॉट्स एंड नॉट टू फॉरगेट द नाइट मोड शॉट्स व्हिच टर्न्ड आउट डिसेंट। सो ओवरऑल अ गुड कैमरा।
So guys, this was all about the Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G's camera setup. कैसे लगे आपको इसके कैमरा स्पेसिफिकेशन? Do let me know in the comment section below. And in case you like this video, do like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. It's a very simple drill, and you know it. Till then, this is Vadita Vashish saying goodbye.